Good morning, bird brains, and welcome to the long-awaited Bring It Home ride, where we are going to try to set a world record for the most Harley-Davidsons in a continuous parade. But as some of you guys know, or most of you guys should know, I am doing the Texas Roundup, where I am taking every rider that I can pick up here in the great state of Texas, all the way from San Antonio up to Paris, Texas. And that is what today's video is going to be over. Now, contrary to popular belief, safety actually is a big virtue of mine, which is why I'm extremely excited to announce our partner slash sponsor for this episode, which is going to be MyMedic. MyMedic reached out to me a few months ago asking if I wanted to partner up. I said, well, let me see what you're all about. Went through their website, looked through all their stuff. Guys, these guys know their stuff. Guys, this kit right here is a $200 kit. This thing is no joke. Almost anything you might need for a motorcycle emergency is in this kit. I will be carrying one of these with me all the way up during this ride. I'm also going to be giving away one of these kits, this $200 kit, complete for free. If you want to figure out how to get entered, watch the end of this video and I will tell you exactly how. But for now, let's go ride.
Phone, wallet, keys. Phone, wallet, keys. Only need three things, please. That's my phone, wallet, keys. All right, guys, so we're here at Bucky's in New Braunfels. We've picked up 3 more guys. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're expected to pick up a few more up in Austin. Our next stop is Cowboys Harley-Davidson of Austin. Oh, hi, Mark.
Hey, Mark. Hi, I'm glad to show up. Hi.
What's up with that?
Hi.
Hey. Unless you're gonna live up to that.
He can.
but I kind of want to benefit from it too. Like,
Well, just tell her what you want.
I mean, I'm not gay, but $100,000 is $100,000. All right, guys, we are here at Cowboys Harley-Davidson of Austin. It's technically our second stop, our first dealership stop. Picked up quite a few people. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bikes. Right now, our next stop is in Jarrell, Texas, and then after that, we're heading up to, is it Horny Toad or Waco first?
Horny Toad.
Horny Toad Harley-Davidson. It's gonna be our next dealership stop. Let's get back on the road.
10-4, pulling in dealership now. Okay.
What's up?
Oh, hey, yo.
Do you want to take over the vlog?
Oh, hey, yo.
So uncomfortable, man.
For me?
Yeah.
To you.
You make me so uncomfortable.
Hey, man. Gotta make them sales.
Yeah.
There was somebody looking at the rock form selection, and Uncle Ken was pimping out that discount code rockform.com, entering code BNB25. Like in front of the salesperson. Right in front of the salesperson that works here at Harley. So that sale went. But hopefully that person gets it from your site and you just make some money. So we are HD of Waco right now.
What do you think we're up to? About 20?
15, 20?
15, 20, yeah.
15, 20 bikes, it sounds like. Some Rudy's right here next to me that I want to eat.
Tacos.
Tacos in there.
Tacos.
Let's see where we're at.
We're at Waco.
I know, but I can see where we're going. And
Well, let's be fair. It's a very high possibility you didn't know where we were.
it is a high possibility. I had no idea where we were, but I'm pretty sure we're HD Waco right now. Right when all the bikes came in, it was really nice. 3 employees came out with like handfuls of water and gave everybody water. So shout out to HD Waco because that was pretty awesome. Sorry we stole your rock form sale. We'll be here for about 45 minutes. There's like Denny's and there's Burger King and everything. It's 1:20 p.m. right now, so everybody's probably feeling a little bit hungry, so you can go grab something to eat. Faith, who's driving the truck, I'm riding with Faith in the truck, and she's driving right now, so she's taking a nap in the truck. We'll be here for about 45 minutes. And our next...
You said that 3 times.
Did I? Well, you can edit it. The power of editation.
Editation?
Editation and meditation to calm down. I can't remember if I say it or not. Next stop is Quick HD Waco. HD Waco.
You actually said it yet.
Next stop is Quick Trip, and that is in Waxahachie. I probably won't eat anything here. I'll probably wait till we get to Quick Trip and I don't know, get some like taquitos on rollers or something. We'll be in Waxahachie for about 30 minutes, and Brad actually got a flight in earlier to Dallas. That's the name of the city that we're gonna pick Brad up in. So Brad got a flight earlier into Dallas. So right after we leave Quick Trip, around a little after 4, Faith and I are gonna head straight over to Dallas Airport to pick Brad up, and he's gonna ride with us all the way to Paris Harley-Davidson. The guys will make one more stop. We're not gonna meet them at that stop because we'll lose some time going to pick up Brad. Thanks a lot, Brad. Just kidding, we don't mind at all. So we'll go pick up Brad. They'll go on to Paris Harley-Davidson. Because we're skipping that stop, we will probably just be right behind them. So not bad timing at all. This is actually working out really well. I think that's it.
Alright guys, we stopped here in Waxahachie. We picked up a couple, lost a couple, but I think we're still around 15-20 bikes. Next stop is HD of Dallas in Allen. Unfortunately, we're going 55 miles and it's supposed to take us just under an hour and a half. So, cue the time lapse of a lot of Dallas traffic.
What's up, guys? We made it here to HD of Dallas in Allen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A lot of bikes. I can't keep track of them anymore. This is our final dealership stop. We've got one more gas stop after this up in McKinney. It's only like a short, like 10-minute ride from here. And then last stop after that is going to be Paris, Texas. That last route was brutal. We had GPS taking us all over the place. Thankfully, we had our buddy Roblox here who has Dallas knowledge and was able to tell us where to go and where not to go. God damn Dallas.
Dallas.
You gotta get your shit together, for real.
You're gonna have to like bleep some stuff out.
It's alright. Alright guys, so that was day one, the Texas Roundup. I know I'm doing a little bit of time traveling here, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew how to get entered for this kit. Very simple. Number one, live in the US. If you're outside the US, I'm sorry I cannot include you in this giveaway. Number two, tell me what your favorite part of the video was down in the comments. That's it. Comment down below if you live in the USA. I'm gonna pick a random winner from those comments and you can get this $200 MyMedic kit absolutely for free. If you wanna go check out their stuff, please use my link down below. That is how I pay for these videos and such. So click that link down below, go check out their products. If you see something that you like, go ahead and buy it and it will help this channel out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.